Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. So I'm back with another video. Today I just want to talk about the 200-week moving average, and I want to talk about the RSI. RSI is a relative strength index. It's a momentum indicator that evaluates overbought or oversold conditions by measuring the magnitude of recent price changes for various assets. I want to talk about the 200-week moving average. It has been our major support for a number of years. As you can see here, back in 2020 we are still holding around this 200-week moving average. You can also see here back in 2018 and 2019 the 200-week moving average was our major support. Even back here around 2016 the 200-week was our major support. But as you can see here, we already broke down the 200-week moving average. It looks like we might go down to the 300-week moving average on this green line here. That means if we go down to this green line, Bitcoin will be trading at around 16,000 US dollars. So that is also possible, like I mentioned on my other video, that it's possible that we might see a 20,000 Bitcoin. So what we do here is we are looking for probability, and as I mentioned on that video, that anything is possible. It's either the market was gonna give us a relief rally, or we're still going to go down to this price range. As you can see, we have reached this price range, and it's looking like the market might sell off even more as we broke down from our previous support of 28k and 30k in the previous weeks. So the market is not looking good, and it's not only Bitcoin, even your other crypto or currencies or your altcoins are really doing bad. The market is just selling off, so the reason why I also want us to look at the RSI, because the RSI is just evaluation of overbought and oversold. So if you look at the RSI, the market is where is it? Okay, this is it. This is the chart. So the market is oversold. The RSI is trading at around 20 down here. So we are down pretty bad. So it's telling us what this is telling us. It's telling us that the market is oversold. So if we are above 70, like back let me say back in last year October, we were above 70, we are around 80 here. So it was telling us that the market is overbought. So when the market is overbought, it is highly likely that we might go to the downside. As you can see here, we're overbought and the market went to the downside. What happens if we are oversold? The market as well usually changes direction. As we can see here, we oversold back in, it was this year, 23 January, we oversold here, and the market started changing direction to the upside. So I know some people use it different, but that is how I work with the RSI. So the market is not looking good, guys, and it's not only this market, so many things happening. Your Nasdaq, your S&P 500, everything is just not looking good. It's because of the macro environment that we are in. So people are going to be pulling out from their investments. They're going to be withdrawing money from the exchanges. So that is why we're going to see the prices go down. Also, what is happening with Celsius, if you have been following, Celsius stopped withdrawals. So people who invested, who had their money on Celsius, can no longer withdraw their funds. So if the market keeps on dipping like this, I think Celsius might be liquidated, and we might see the prices go down even more, but that, for some of us who have been in the market for a while, we know what to do when we see prices go down this much. But I'm not giving out financial advice. I'm just sharing my experience with you so that you can take one or two if you want to, or if you are new into this market, this might be helpful to you. So for those who have been trying to time the bottom of this market, I'm sure right now they've realized that the market, you can never really time the market. That is why timing the market is always better than trying to time the market. Like I mentioned in my previous video, I said I have targets. I have targets where I want to buy and when I want to sell. So that is what I just wanted to share with you. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.